No feedback rows exist yet, so target median is unknown. I'm starting with Inception because it is a well-known movie with distinctive year, rating, genres, director, and cast. I will accept the cookie banner, select the search result, and click the guess button because enter alone does not submit. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target median equals movie. For Inception, year is red, meaning farther than 2 years from 2010, but the arrow is obscured by the open dropdown. Rating is yellow, meaning within 0.5 of 8.8, with arrow obscured. Genres overlap, action is green, adventure and sci-fi are gray. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, and Elliot Page show no overlap. Director Christopher Nolan shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, includes action, is not adventure or sci-fi, is not directed by Nolan, lacks the show and Inception actors, and has IMDb rating roughly 8.3 to 9.3 while release year is more than 2 years from 2010. Avoid repeating Inception. Type card is green, so the last guess was a movie and target median equals movie. Inception feedback says target is older than 2010, rating lower but within 0.5 of 8.8, and action overlaps while adventure and sci-fi do not, with no Inception actors or Nolan. I'm guessing Leon because it is an older highly rated action movie around 8.5 with crime and drama rather than adventure or sci-fi, and it avoids the previous people. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target median equals movie. For Napoleon Dynamite, year is yellow, meaning within 2 years of 2004, with the arrow not visible because the dropdown covers the card. Rating is red, meaning farther than 0.5 from about 7.0, and prior feedback implies the target rating is higher. Genre shown is comedy and it does not appear highlighted as an overlap. Actors John Heder, John Grise, Aaron Ewell, Evan Ramirez, and Tina Majorino show no overlap, and director Jared Hess shows no overlap. Constraints: target is a movie, likely from about 2002 to 2006, as a much higher rating than 7.0, is not Napoleon Dynamite, and does not include the shown cast or director. Type card is green, so the last guess was a movie and target median equals movie. Napoleon Dynamite shows year 2004 yellow with a down arrow, so the target is older but within 2 years, likely 2002 or 2003. Rating 7 is red with an up arrow, so the target is much higher rated. Comedy: the Napoleon cast and Jared Hess show no overlap, and prior Inception feedback indicated action overlap with no adventure or sci-fi. Oldboy fits a 2003 highly rated action or thriller movie without those excluded people, so I will select it and then click the guess button. Type card is green, so Napoleon Dynamite was a movie and target media equals movie. Latest feedback shows year 2004 is yellow with a down arrow, so the target is 2002 or 2003, and rating 7 is red with an up arrow, so the target is higher than 7.5. Comedy: Napoleon actors and Jared Hess show no overlap. Prior Inception feedback indicated action overlap and no adventure or sci-fi. I will use the strong 2003 high rated action fit Oldboy. Click the drop down row directly, then click the guess button. Type card is green, so the last guess was a movie and target median equals movie. Napoleon Dynamite feedback shows the target is an older movie within 2 years of 2004, so likely 2002 or 2003, and rating is higher than 7 with no comedy, cast, or director overlap. Prior Inception feedback gave action overlap and excluded adventure and sci-fi. I will use the short distinctive fragment old to select Oldboy from the dropdown, then click the guess button to register it. Type card is green, so the last guess was a movie and target median equals movie. Napoleon Dynamite shows year yellow with a down arrow, meaning the target is older than 2004 but within 2 years, and rating red with an up arrow, meaning higher than 7.5. Comedy: the Napoleon Dynamite actors and Jared Hess show no overlap, while earlier Inception feedback indicated action overlap and no adventure or sci-fi. Since Oldboy selection has not registered, I'm switching to the distinctive fragment Kill for Kill Bill Vol. 1, a 2003 high rated action movie that fits the constraints and should be easier to select. Type card is green. Guess medium was movie, so target medium equals movie. For Kill Bill Vol. 1 year is green, so the target is also 2003. Rating is yellow, so it is within 0.5 of 8.2, likely a little higher based on earlier feedback. Genres, action is green overlap, while crime and thriller are gray or not highlighted. Actors Uma Thurman, David Carradine, and Daryl Hannah show no overlap, and director Quentin Tarantino shows no overlap. Constraints, target is a 2003 movie, includes action, does not include adventure, sci-fi, comedy, crime, or thriller from prior rows, has IMDb rating around 7.7 to 8.7 and higher than 7.5, and does not kill Bill Vol. What? Type card is green, so kill Bill Vol. 1 was a movie and target medium equals movie. The latest row gives exact year 2003 and rating higher than 8.2 but within 0.5. Action overlaps, while crime and thriller do not, with no Uma Thurman, David Carradine, Daryl Hannah, or Tarantino overlap. Oldboy is a 2003 high-rated action movie around 8.3 with no listed overlap conflict, so I will select it from the search and click the guess button. Type card is green, so kill Bill Vol. 1 was a movie and target medium equals movie. The target is exactly 2003, rating higher than 8.2 but within 0.5, with action overlap and no crime or thriller and earlier no adventure, sci-fi, or comedy. Oldboy remains the strongest fit, but prior submit attempts failed at drop-down selection, so I am using a shorter distinctive fragment and pausing to inspect the exact visible row before clicking it. Nice, the answer was Oldboy, shown here as Oldboy, and it took 4 guesses. The key clues were locking onto a movie from 2003 with a high 8.3 rating, plus the action genre overlap that pointed away from comedy or sci-fi and toward this Park Chan-wook classic.